Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: consent, a charged device, and a recording app. First, open the app and set input to the phone call or external mic. Next, place the call and immediately press record. You want the app to capture the ringing and connection to ensure sync. Monitor levels for the first 10 seconds and adjust gain if you hear clipping or low volume. Once the connection is stable, minimize phone movement and keep the microphone unobstructed for consistent audio. Once recording is running, focus on consistent audio quality. Switch to an external headset if you experience echo, and position the mic close but not touching your mouth. Make incremental input gain changes rather than big jumps. That prevents sudden distortion for the listener. If the app offers noise suppression or AGC, enable it carefully. Sometimes AGC causes pumping. Also monitor storage and file format. Choose a lossless or high bitrate setting for interviews, and make sure you have at least 10% free space to avoid mid-call failures. When the call ends, stop recording promptly and save the file with a clear name and timestamp so you can find it later. Immediately create a backup, upload to cloud storage or copy to an encrypted drive to prevent data loss. If you notice missing audio or poor quality, first verify app permissions and microphone routing, then review the app log for errors. Sometimes a permission change or an interrupted background process caused the issue. If needed, re-record the key segment or ask the caller for a short retake.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.